This week I've got a 6-pound splitting wedge. I'm going to clean it up and put a handle on it. Let's start with a grinding disc. I think the problem is that the sanding disc is blunt, worn out. So, I mean, that's a nice surface, but I want to go to a bare metal. So I think I need a new sanding disc. Here's something different. I'm going to try this on the drill. I've cleaned this up to a point, and I've noticed that the hole is not square. The angle of the hole is off skew. This here, you can clearly see there's less meat on that side than that side, and that ain't from me grinding it. So I'm not going to bother cleaning this head up any further, but the project today is to fit this bit of wood into a handle, make it straight obviously, but make the head mount off centre. Thereby the handle will be fully customised for this head. I am using the same wood that I used for this handle, so that's what it's going to turn out like. I'm going to shape the head part by hand, and I'm going to try to shape this part with the router. Something different. Well, it did an okay job. I think I need to go deeper though. That's the depth of that roundover bit. I'll put that bit through the planer and then do that side again. I think the best course of action for this process is to find the centre of the handle, put this head on straight, so it's straight with the handle, and then trace that off-center hole onto the wood. As you can see, the oval that I've drawn on there is not square. It matches the head. Nice and solid, except it just looks a bit clunky. I reckon if I bring the sides in from about there, a couple mil down to about there, and then re-round the corners over, I reckon it'll look much better. I'm going to give that a go. Well, from disaster to success. I thought that was an absolute disaster, the way that was shipping out. But yeah, the round over bit must be sharper or just cut better. Anyway, that side's a little bit deeper than that side, but that's okay. I'll make that the front chopping face part. I lowered the round over a bit, so now it does a more perfect round over. And seriously, I'll put that head on that now, and that would be good to go. It's awesome. Now the tricky part, cutting the slot at an angle. And now my special trick. This will widen the kerf at the top. I'm going to do a test fit. There's a little mark there that shows it's the front of the axe. That's important. Okay, that's binding. And you can see where it's binding. I need to file that. Okay, let's fit the head. That's a good trick. And now it's time to fit the wedge. Oh, that's better. Well, that ain't going anywhere. Okay, the sun's starting to go down and I'm finished. I'm beyond pleased. This handle, I tricked my son. I said, where'd this come from? Bunnings or my workshop? And he said, oh, it's a Bunnings handle. I guess it's a smooth surface made by the router. It feels like it's been machined, but it's still got that handmade feel too. So I'm going to put some linseed oil on it and then Finished. There you go. $5 head from Yandina Markets. $5. Handle, made by Router. The first one I've ever done that. And I'm absolutely stoked. I could not be more happy. It's like I bought one.